friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make tomato pickle. It's a very tasty side dish that best goes with variety rices such as lemon rice, curd rice and also with idlis and dosas. You can store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container and enjoy it for a month's time. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 kgs of tomatoes. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Make sure the tomatoes are nice ripe for better taste. Cut the tomatoes into very small slices. The more thin, the less cooking time. Likewise, cut all the tomatoes and keep it ready. Now heat a heavy bottom pan. Make sure it's nice and white. Once the pan is nice and hot, add half cup of ginger oil. Now the oil is nice and hot, so add in the sliced tomatoes. Mix it well. Now add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Keep the flame on high. Now it's nice and juicy, so continue to cook in high flame. Saute occasionally. It's been 5 minutes now. Tomatoes are starting to dry up. So continue to cook in high flame but saute frequently. It's been 10 minutes now and it's nice and dry. So simmer the flame and saute continuously for another 10 minutes until the oil separates. The oil has now separated, so add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. Saute well. At this point of time, check for seasoning and add salt if required. It's perfect for me, so I'm not adding any. Now your super delicious tomato pickle is ready. Serve it with idlis or dosas and enjoy it with your family and friends. Preserve it in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator and enjoy for a month's time. Do try this recipe at your home and write back to me in the comments. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.